Meet our activity box for the Light Comes to Shadow Mountain unit study. This box can be used as a standalone family experience. It includes the book Light Comes to Shadow Mountain, so you can gather around as a family, read the story, and enjoy the activities. It's perfect for summertime or weekend family time. Another option is that you can purchase this as an add-on for the adventure guide, and it includes all the supplies needed to do a few of the activities in the adventure guide, plus some extra goodies to make more of your learning and to make it a very easy experience. Without further ado, let's take a look at what's inside. You'll notice that right on top we have a little pamphlet that will tell you everything that comes inside your kit, and you also have an exclusive letter from author Tony Buzzio, as well as a couple extra fun little goodies inside this letter. When you open your kit, you will find everything nicely packed, and I will pull them out and show them to you a few things at a time so that they make a little bit more sense. First, we have Light Comes to Shadow Mountain by Tony Buzzio. You will receive a hardcover copy of this book, and everything in the box is based on this story and meant to help bring it alive. You'll also have the book, The Jack Tales. These are folk tales from Southern Appalachians, and as you read the story, you will notice the characters in the story read some Jack Tales. We have those flagged in the order they appear in the story, so if you want to pause and read the stories right then, you can. These are traditional fairy tales native to the Appalachian region and might be a little bit different than what you've heard before. Let's start by taking a look at what comes with the reporter's kit. You have 2 reporter's notebooks with sturdy backs to make it easy for taking notes in the field, 2 fountain pens, and 2 press passes. These are nice and sturdy and will last a while. Cora's mom is an herbalist on Shadow Mountain, so this is an important part to the story. We thought this would be a great opportunity to learn more about plants, more about herbs, and just really dive into that world. So we have included, first off, an herbal roots mini-zine, which is all about calendula. This is an excellent resource. You will also get the PDF that goes along with this with your box, so you can print out multiple copies if you would like. But this is a magazine that teaches all about calendula, where it grows. You've got stories, folklores, fun activities, as well as plenty of recipes. And if you want to use this as a more extended study, it also includes in the front a calendar to show you how you can spend a whole month learning about one herb. With that, you will have your very own opportunity to plant and grow your own calendula. Each of these packets contains 5 seeds, and you've got 2 pots per one, as well as plenty of dirt to fill up your pots, so you can get started growing calendula right from seed. Part of the instructions you'll find here to make a calendula oil, and then you will use that oil and follow the instructions in here to create your very own salve. You have calendula, your jar to keep your salve. In here, you will find your beeswax, your vitamin D oil, and some labels for your kit, and you will use this strainer bag to help strain the herbs out of your oil to help make your salve. And then we've also included this journal for your growing so that you can keep track of your plant as it grows, measure the height, check the number of leaves, and make all sorts of observations throughout the growth of the plant. Next up, let's take a look at our electric circuit kit. In our story, Cora can't wait to bring electricity to Shadow Mountain, and that's a huge theme that you'll find all throughout the story, so it's a perfect opportunity to learn more about how electricity works. In this kit, in our instruction packet, you'll receive instructions. These not only give instructions of how to put together the project, but they also teach about electricity, current flow, all the things that you'll need to know to understand what is happening in your project. We've included some themed paper circuit boards that you can solve, where you'll do a simple circuit with a switch, and a circuit with multiple lights. There's also a handy troubleshooting guide in case you run into any trouble. In your electric circuit pouch, you'll find 2 batteries, some copper tape, LED lights, paper clips, and brads. So you'll have everything you need to complete this project. While I don't want to give anything away, embroidery ends up playing a very important role in our story, so we thought this would be a fantastic opportunity to include an embroidery kit. Each kit comes with a full set of instructions that you will find in your instruction envelope. Along with the instructions in here, you will find some embroidery images. This is a 2-sided page, as well as some embroidery letters. There's 2 different styles that you can use as patterns to help in your embroidery. And you will also find this envelope full of tracing paper to help transfer the designs. You will also find 2 different styles of handkerchiefs. They may vary from kit to kit, so yours might not look exactly like this, but there will be 2 styles in each kit, as well as 2 pieces of practice felt, 5 colors of embroidery floss, 2 embroidery needles, and 1 embroidery hoop. Finally, each kit comes with your recipe card pack. This includes 6 recipes that are taken directly from the story. So as you read about the things that Cora and her family are eating in the Appalachian Mountains, you can try a few of the recipes out on your own. Each recipe includes a title, the chapter that the recipe is found in the book, number of servings, serving size, and approximate time for preparation. On the back, each recipe includes a full color illustration as well as additional directions, and some of the recipes will include a QR code that has the recipe in action where you can see it being prepared and learn a little bit more about the history of that recipe. Everything you see in this kit can comfortably be used for 2 children, in many cases even 3. But if you need additional add-on kits, have no fear. You can purchase additional add-on kits for the news reporter kit, as well as the electricity kit and the embroidery kit. I hope this answers all of your questions about the activity box for the Ticket to Learning unit. If you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out and let us know, and we hope that you have a great day. Bye.